Hi, welcome to How To. My name is Joel and we're going to be making my infamous mac and cheese. It is practically to die for because of how delicious it is, how much cheese there is. It's absolutely fantastic. Hey. You keep your eyes on me. Got that? Okay, let's continue on. We got macaroni, Cheez-Its, onion, garlic, flour, cayenne paprika, butter, half and half, Worcestershire sauce, and most importantly, cheese. Now we're going to fill our pot with some water to boil our pasta. Next is to chop our ingredients. We got our onion, garlic, and then that's not supposed to be like that. I said to clean it. Useless cameraman. Now we're gonna cut the onion. Next, it's time for the garlic. This one's easy. As you can see, I've returned the noodles to the pan. Our next step is the roux. Make sure to have it on a nice good heat, around medium. Can't wait to go in. Keep stirring this and let this sit on the heat for a bit. Our next step is to add in our cayenne, paprika, and flour into this mixture. Make sure to mix that all in. So next we add in our Worcestershire sauce, our half and half. At this point you can turn down the heat a bit. You'll then want to add in your cream cheese. Before you progress on, make sure that all of this cream cheese is melted in. Next is to add in our other cheese. I'm gonna kill him. Turn back the heat a bit. We don't need it too high. We take our pasta noodles that we cooked previously and we just put them into there. This is gonna surprise him. He isn't gonna know what's coming toward him. Hey. Scoop some of the mac and cheese into this pan, like so. You then take the rest of your macaroni and just put the rest of it in there. We're gonna set our oven to bake at 375. Now we just leave it in there at 375 until you start seeing the mac and cheese itself bubble up. Here, have a bite.